guys can see me. But what is up, guys? Peyton here with Budget Life Garage. We got the BMW in the garage. I'll actually show you one of the other modifications I've done to it. I put a wing on the back, and it doesn't interfere. I don't even know if the car, no, the car's not unlocked. It doesn't interfere with anything. And so, try and make my way around to unlock it. But it does not interfere with anything. As you can see, just overhangs a little bit, mounted there on the outside, on both sides. It is from a Honda Civic, you can see right there. It did have a third brake light, which was painted over. You know, whatever. Picked that up for like $5. Figured, why not? I've been looking for a wing for it, but I didn't want to go too overly dramatic with it, since I'm still trying to keep this thing semi-reliable. But today we got that. It's a cold air intake or short ram intake. It's going to replace this beefy thing, which will clean up the engine a little bit more, and I'll get a better airflow, because I've honestly been having issues with airflow since I don't have any of this here. A lot of the air is coming from around the light fixture here and underneath it. So I've been having air issues, so that's gonna help a little bit, or at least it should. But eventually, I know I have to do a valve cover gasket. I also have to change spark plugs. I've done 5 so far. I haven't gotten to number 6 yet. I gotta do that. But the biggest thing is I'm gonna get that on there. That's what this video is about. And in about 8 minutes, probably take you 5. I also didn't have all the tools I needed right here. It did come, also this kit did come with whatever those 2 pieces are for. I don't fully know. But the only complaint I really have is I think this is... I'll wait for the truck to go by. I will actually look up how it looks in the picture. I don't know if it'll focus, but you can see it down here in the corner. It looks like it's tucked up in there fairly nice. You look at it. But my only complaint is you can't put it straight on because it does not fit, because this piece here is too long. I mean, I could probably cut it, make it shorter, or just get a different pipe. That's my only complaint, but other than that, there's the cold air intake. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.